GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist, Graphic Solutions Group. Today I want to show you how to do one color Plastisol transfer numbers using Wilflex Epic Matte Black and International Coatings Transfer Adhesive Powder. We're going to use cold peel transfer paper, meaning once we use the heat press and put our transfer on, we're going to let it cool down and then peel the paper off. What we did on our palette is we put a small jig using masking tape and very light adhesive so it doesn't aggressively grab the paper. We're going to line our paper up with the masking tape, and we're going to go ahead and hit it 2 times, 2 print passes. And we're using a 110 mesh screen, again the Wilflex Epic Matte Black and a 70 durometer squeegee. We're going to print this at about 30 psi. Now that we have our number printed, we're going to take the sheet and we're going to apply some International Coatings Transfer Adhesive Powder to the Plastisol and just kind of work it back and forth so the powder covers all of the ink. Now that we have our adhesive powder covering our black Plastisol, we're going to go ahead and run these through the dryer at 265 degrees, just enough temperature to gel the ink. We don't want to fully cure it. Now we're going to take our printed transfer, we're going to go ahead, put it on the garment using the heat press. The heat press is going to be set at 350 degrees. We're going to use firm pressure and we're going to heat press it for 15 seconds. Now we'll take our shirt and let it cool down for a few seconds before we pull the transfer. Now that we've let our transfer sit for about 20 or 30 seconds, we're ready to go ahead and peel the paper. And what we have is a really nice screen printed transfer number. It has a really nice soft feel to it, really durable. And a good thing about printing your own transfers is you can store them for several months as long as they're not in very humid conditions, and you can always transfer them at a later time. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com and follow us on social media.